garner gown, yes. Nakakatuwa kasi yung gown, kasi malamig sa New York ngayon. So, inangkop naman nila yung gown sa lamig ng weather sa New York.
And it will pay homage daw to Amor, yung gown.
Oo, kaya white. Oo, so mag-white tayo.
Practice mo ba yung paglakad mo?
Pre-practice ko with the gown. Oo, syempre, di ba? Hindi naman everyday nakakatisod tayo ng isang nomination for the Emmy. So, maganda naman na maipresenta natin ng maayos ang sarili natin. At syempre, pupunta ako doon na hindi lang naman sarili ko yung nire-represent ko, pero ang Philippines din. Alam mo, magpapaselfie ako sa kanya. Oo. At saka, sasabihin ko talaga sa kanya na I feel so honored na to be nominated alongside her. Yung story na pinagdaanan ko sa buhay ko, I'm praying that it brings strength and inspiration and hope to people na dumadaan doon sa pinagdaanan ko. And it's really with God's grace na nandito ako ngayon kung nasan ako ngayon sa buhay ko. Lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay natin, kailangan nating pagdaanan. It's because I believe yung mga lowest points ng life natin, it really makes us realize our humanity and it makes us humble.
Yeah, we love you more for that actually, for your
Thank you.
You're talking about.
Yes, oo. Actually, maraming nag-message kasi people were thinking it was shabu or cookie. No, sabi ko, siguro, next time, I have to be specific. Oo, because I just said that I turned to drugs, but it was anti-anxiety drugs that I turned to during those moments. Thank you so much.